G'day guys, just Dylan here from Outback Equipment, and today we're going to have a quick chat about the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kits and curved roof rafters. So as you can see here, we've got it all set up. We've got the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit. Obviously the kit comes in both sections for the front and the rear, and then we've also got two curved roof rafters from Aussie Traveller on as well. So as you can see here, it is blowing hard for us today. And as you can see, what the anti-flap kits are designed to do is to add sturdiness and strength to the awning. And not only that, they will actually grab onto your vinyl by big clamps. So this one here is grabbing up to good 95% of the vinyl and actually holding it in place. It's not blowing around in the wind. And then what the curved roof rafters are designed to do as well, they're also designed to put some tension on the awning, keep it off of the van. But what they're mainly designed is to stop the pooling of the water. So say for example, you went to bed and overnight it actually rained. You've got that extra peace of mind that the vinyl is not going to pool with a big pool of water in the middle, either stretching it or potentially damaging the awning. I have seen awnings, for example in my previous work, where the awnings have come in and they've dented half on the amount of load of water on them. So if we were to shoot out to the front here, have a look at the top of the awning, you can see how much they push onto the vinyl and actually hold the vinyl up. So these kits are actually very easy to install and can be done 100% DIY. Now they come with all the instructions, there's a lot of videos out there as well. Nice and easy kits, guys, are essential to any caravan that we would recommend, keeping your awning nice and sturdy and prolonging the life of it. So if you do have any questions, be sure to hit us up in the comments below, give us a call. If you do want to pick up one of these kits today or even a curved roof rafter, head to outbackequipment.com.au and we'll catch you in the next one.